So I'm on Humble Bundle and just purchased, well, 2 games, The Dark Pictures Little Hope and Man of Medan, as they're the only 2 Dark Pictures games I didn't have so far. And I thought I had a good way to complete the set so I could finish the other games as well, as only about $8.50 just to get those 2 games. Now I bought it and look what it says here. Attention, we've run out of Steam keys for Little Hope. So one of the games I was looking forward to being able to finally play, so I can complete the series and all the games in the anthology, I can't because there's no Steam keys left. Hopefully I do get some at some point, but nowhere in the process of purchasing it did I ever see anything about having to wait because there's not enough keys. For example, let's go back here. Here's the store page. No banner anywhere saying some of the keys are missing. Nothing anywhere I can see. I can click on this specific game, for example, Little Hope, which is the game that's missing the keys. Got the information here. Nowhere does it say that, at least I can see, that it's missing. Even when we're going to go into checkout, nothing I can see is disclosed at any point that they're missing the games, which is a bit frustrating when you buy something. I guess technically it's a license, they'll say, but you buy something and they don't even have the product and you just have to wait for it and there's no disclosure. At least if you're on a other website, normally they'll have out of stock and you just won't let you buy it, or if on other sites they'll normally say back order or pre-order. Just in the Humble Bundle doesn't even tell you until after you've already purchased it. So if you had any experience like this, if you like the video, comment down below your thoughts and reviews and subscribe to see videos like this in the future.